Here we have a roofing robot from Renovate Robotics that makes roof work safer. It installs asphalt shingles and works up to 3 times faster than people. Using cameras, sensors, and a roof-anchored system, it moves precisely. Titan Micropile is a reliable choice for ground support projects like foundations, slope stabilization, and mining. Its hollow steel bar drills, injects grout, and adds strength in one step. This stainless steel wall tool is easy to clean and built for everyday masonry work. At 13 inches wide, it spreads plaster, cement, and similar materials evenly. It comes in 2 versions, including one with a raised edge to reduce mess. DigiLevel Laser G40 is an accurate digital level for checking alignment and transferring angles. It measures slopes all the way around with clear digital readings and reliable calibration. Helpful features like memory, sound guidance, a flip display, and a magnetic bracket make it easy to use. Works Nitro Vacuum is a handy cordless cleaner for all kinds of jobs. It holds both wet and dry messes, has high and low power settings, and can even work as a blower. P1-L Tagger is a battery-powered label printer that connects to the Rock app by Bluetooth on iPhone or Android. It makes labels with text or QR codes for guides, files, or links. It also works with Recon tools to create measurement labels fast, helping teams stay organized and reduce mistakes. Built for garages and tough job sites, these cord reels keep power organized and easy to reach. The cords resist oil, water, sunlight, and extreme temperatures, while safety features like a reset breaker, power light, and locking retraction add peace of mind. Need backup power without the noise of gas? This portable station gives 2,000 watts continuously. It runs everything from phones to refrigerators, works indoors during outages, and stays easy to carry. Built for concrete fixing and carpentry jobs, this manual steel nail gun gives you solid control with 5 power settings, so you can match the depth to the material. It works with 0.29-inch and 0.33-inch nails for many installation tasks. Now let's talk about this compact, 36-pound, 9-in-1 machine. It is made for different welding and cutting. It offers simple current and voltage adjustments and easy mobility with universal wheels.